Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about facial tissue. And of course, a lot of people look at me, what are you talking about? I'm talking about Kleenex. Yeah, Kleenex is one of those things that are synonymous with a product, names, for quite a while it was, Scott for toilet paper, you got Kleenex for facial tissue, you got Channel Lock for locking pliers. So anyways, Kleenex is one of those things that we just can't live without. I mean, yeah, back in the day they used to have handkerchiefs, but handkerchiefs got really nasty and stuff. You carried it around in your pocket and you had to wash it. Facial tissue, you use it, you throw it away, you throw away all the yuckies, the germs, and everything else. So, anyways, think about adding more boxes of Kleenex to your preps, and just think about it, all right? Okay, before I take off, I'm going to leave a link to my gardening and homesteading channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, right up here. I'm going to put a playlist up here for prepping for beginners and down here for prepping in private. Alrighty, take care and I'll see you around.